We gotta help this guy out. Look what he did.
Robbie's lighter.
Of course, the battery's dying. Yo. Worked out. I don't know what got on video, but it worked out. Look at this mess. This guy's getting an awesome shot, but there's always a mess before we see what's going to happen. Fellas, thanks for coming back. Take a look at what Mark's getting into. It's a 120-ton crane, and he's getting that put on his house. And that. If you're in Westchester, check them out. So I think what they're trying to do here is put another layer of cribbage under that outrigger. This looks kind of sketchy to me. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm trying not to get in the way or be annoying with the camera. Freaking amazing. I could see your shitter. We're literally in the dead zone right here. This shit goes haywire.
Oh yeah. You might not be moving back over.
I don't think so. Hopefully the insurance is paid up.
You're good. No, we get to make sure our insurance is paid.
Yeah. I mean, look at this production. Jesus. My God. What? That stuff's pretty incredible. It's amazing what these guys can get done. Engineering, carpentry, it's really, really cool stuff. Congrats, Mark. You finished your project faster than I ever could have. And, well, here's a finished product. Of course it's not done yet, but damn, that was quick.